I'm out here working on the C10 trying to get some work done. Came outside, it was beautiful. Vegas weather is pissing me off, man. But whatever. Finish it when I do. Crap is annoying. I was literally taking everything out of the back, throwing stuff away. Man, car guys is not on my side right now. It looks like it's about to start cooling down. But I guarantee you this mess will get done. That ain't gonna be today though, so. Got some little music stuff in there. Got a speaker box back there. Crazy. But Impala back seats getting wet. My boy's supposed to come pick those up. There's my other supercharger. Whatever the hell you want to call that I needed and I found. Still got to take that side off. But I'm not about to be recording in this rain getting sick, so I'll get back at y'all.